Again, welcome to Vocalfy. It's your girl, Miss Chance. Thank you for being with me today. Today we are singing with emotion. When the day just isn't going your way, sometimes all you have is the music. And while we're here because we love this and the music soothes our soul. And today is one of those days for me. And if it's one of those days for you, come and join me. Okay, where we breathe and just vibe. What does the music do to you? Whatever sounds the music wants you to sing, sing it. Yeah. This is good for your runs. Yeah. One more time. Yeah. We're gonna add on to it. This is what runs are all about. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna make my voice.
BeatStars.com.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Your turn. Wait on me. Don't go nowhere without me, baby. Don't go without me, baby. Yes. Wait on me.
BeatStars.com.
Don't go nowhere without me, baby. Don't go nowhere without me, baby. Can you do that? As low as you can go. Yeah. Wait on me. Wait on me. Oh. Try that. We're just gonna start off deep breathing. A few rounds of deep breathing. I want you to close your eyes or keep your eyes open, whatever you feel comfortable with. Now, again, as performers, we don't always have, the best days. We're not always in the best moods. We're not always feeling well, but the show must go on. So this is also something that you can do to get yourself ready for performances when you're just not feeling your greatest, you're not feeling so hot, you're not feeling so confident. This is just to get your mind and your body settled back into where it needs to be. So start with your feet shoulder width apart. I want you to press your big toe into the floor, pinky toe into the floor, heels into the floor. Feel the floor below you. Exhale. Good, one more time. Roll your shoulders back. Down. Inhale up. Down. Again. Inhale up. Down. We're gonna go forward. 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 One more. Forward. Hand on your stomach. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Get ready to do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. One more time. Inhale and listen to the sound of your breath. Synchronize it with your sound. There's something on your mind, baby, let's talk about it. Yeah, there's something on your mind, baby, let's talk about it. Don't let it go too far. Don't let it go too far. Don't let it go too far. Feel yourself. Find a mirror. Look at yourself in the mirror. Tell yourself you are worthy. You are beautiful. You are strong. You are handsome. You are loved. And if today is one of those days, I'm here with you. And I thank you for being here with me. We can do this together. Today I wanna be the best part of me. Today I choose to live. Repeat after me. Keep going. BeatStars.com choose to live. Thank you once again. Thank you for watching today. I know it wasn't the regular vocal lessons, but your girl just had to get it out of her system. And I thank you for being here with me. And I really wanted to show this day because not every day is gonna be a good day. Not every day you're gonna feel like yourself. You're gonna feel your best. You're gonna feel your most confident. I don't feel my most confident every day. There are days I wake up and I think that I'm shit, believe it or not. And I know there are days that you feel that way too, but I'm here to tell you that that's just a passing moment, right? It's in your mind because you said it's there, and it will go away at one point. You just have to give yourself some positive reinforcement. Tell yourself otherwise, and tell yourself that it's not permanent. This feeling is not permanent. It's fleeting. And you know what? Since you love music and I love music, I'm gonna use the music to get myself back to where I need to be. And this is what today's episode is about. Some of you won't like it, some of you will understand. But again, I hope that me showing my vulnerability will help you feel and show your own vulnerability as well. Okay? It's been your girl, Miss Chance from Vocalfy, signing off. Peace.